Mabuhay at pugay. Golden Sand Beach Resort in Gumaos, Paracale, Camarines Norte, in Bicol Region, Philippines. A white sand beach, 3.5 hectares in Ocalia property, is under development by Mirasol Architects and Engineers. This project promotes mind-body wellness training. It is an investment opportunity for housing and resort development. Scheduled for 2025. A home for Maharlika Institute offering training arnis, yoga meditation, and our traditional hilot massage. Great for scuba diving, boating, island hopping, and much more. This is a place to retreat or hold gathering seminars, to relax, enjoy nature, and meet family, friends, and company. Truly a gift from nature for Bumaos White Sand Resort. Come everyone, join us 2025 in Philippines. Golden Sand Beach Resort under development. For more information, go to my website, mastersissue.com, and the upcoming FB Golden Sand Beach Resort in Bumaos. Stay at mabuhay!